दिल्लीच्या प्रशांत विहार वाठारांत आयतारा सकाळी 7 जावन 50 वरांचेर व्हड स्फोट जालो. केंद्रीय राखीव पुलीस दळाचे म्हळ्यार CRPF शाळे लागसार हो स्फोट जालो. थळाव्या लोकांनी उजो पालोवपी दळाक स्फोटाची म्हायती दिली. ते उपरांत उजो पालोवपी दळाच्यो गाडयो थळार आयल्यो. उजो पालोवपी दळान हांगची तपासणी केली. थंय खंयच उजो वा इमारतींक कसलेंच लुकसाण जावंक नाशिल्ल्याचें दिसून आयलें. सुरवातीक हो सिलिंडराचो स्फोट आसूं येता असो अदमास आशिल्लो, पूण चवकशींतल्यान हो सिलिंडराचो स्फोट न्हय अशें समजलें. ह्या स्फोटाक लागून थळाव्या लोकांमदीं भयाचें वातावरण निर्माण जालां. हो स्फोट कित्याक लागून जालो तें अजून स्पश्ट जावंक ना. चवकशेक नेट आयला. हे विशीं पुलीस फुडलो तपास करतात.
Morning, Prashant Vihar Police Station received an information about heavy noise near CRPF School. Immediately, police teams reached the spot, and it was found that there's some foul smell, and window panes, glasses were broken in the school premises, and some nearby shops and one or two cars also. Senior police officers of the police reached the spot. Our experts from forensic department, crime team, and even special cell are there. They are investigating the matter. As soon as we have some further update on this or about the reasons of the explosion, we'll let you know, we'll inform you, and we'll update you. So far, we can't say anything about it because the reasons of the noise are being found out, are being investigated.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, गोमंतक TV.